Hi, so this is Clickfunnels and I'm just going to show you where to set up the products. I've seen it once, I'm not normally using it. However, when you have the right type of page selected, let me just see if this is here. No. Okay, so this has to in order to upload like the products, but you need to watch one of the videos from the Clickfunnels on how to set up products, because they will only allow you to upload like PDFs, etc. So it depends what you want to do. So here, if you have the order form, so one of the when you creating a new step, let me just show you quickly. Products, create funnel step. Okay, that's going to be my last one. Let me just select any template. Oh, it doesn't really matter what I'm going to choose right now. It's just about oh no, that's the wrong one, sorry. Products. No, I need to delete that now. It's right, so start again. Products, create funnel step. Now, when you're choosing the steps or the types, besides the template, so you can see, like, I named it as products, but at the moment it's kind of on the category opt-in, and if you want to set up products, you need to actually choose one. So it's in sales and order form, because that's what you want to create. Let's see. So for instance, I just pick any order form at the top, and then in products you can add a new product. So this has to be integrated before the Stripe, which is in the Clickfunnels account settings and in integration. It's also on your dashboard, so if you go in here, you will be also able to, under the banner of One Funnel Away Challenge, you will have a Stripe setup. So you choosing like how you want people to pay. Is it a subscription or is it one-time payment? Save and next. If you want to add different payment method, you can always email the support. What did I not fill in? Okay, so if I just choose the payment method, one time, save, and then product name, product one, product price, I don't know, 20 USD, price display override, description. So this is what people will see. This is, so here will be the how much they will pay. So you need to put the same in here. So if I put 20, product description, I don't know, starter program. Bump product, you will learn about it in a One Funnel Away challenge. Otherwise, I can basically run it for a couple of hours, but this is just a quick show. Product quantity limit. So if you have if you have a stock at home and if you're selling a physical product, you can set a quantity available. Save and next. You can actually write an email in here that will be sent as well when they get the product, even if you don't have the Actionetics sort of membership. I'm just leaving it as it is. So you can change obviously the email. Save and next. Follow-up action. I actually haven't tested that. So you can obviously take them to the get response or Aweber, and then save and next. So there's no follow-up action for now, but you can actually send them to the email, or they may start receiving emails from your get response. Shipping information. as you can see, you can say like, how is it going to be shipped? I don't know this, to be honest, so I don't select it because it's for US. You can earn more sales by recruiting affiliates. So you can actually, if you upgrade to, I think it's Actionetics or Backpack, but that's like $300. You can actually set up your own affiliate program. Save and next. Obviously, I don't want to upgrade. And you go into the summary, but you can always review any of the steps. You can always edit it. So you can set up different prices, different name. You can do different products on subscription, and you're basically adding a new product. Okay, return to product list. So that is one setup. There you go. And you can add products, you can add different products, etc., etc. So that would be the easiest way. Let me just delete that step. Just one more thing, the way you can do it if you want to do it your own way rather than using Clickfunnels. I'm just going to go to the funnel that I created for my English tutoring. So where is my funnel? There we go. Okay, I'm going to go straight to the order form. So here, obviously, I'm introducing them what the tutoring is about, coaching, etc. So if I go to the second step, if I edit page, as you can see, this is just a simple text on a thank you page. You can see like what do I offer basically with just simple text. So in order to create your own payment method, for instance, what I did with PayPal, basically what I do, it's you can, for instance, let me just show you. Add new section. Let's say I'm usually using white. Then I would add rows. Let's say, well, for the sake of it, I will add 2 columns, and I will add an element, and I will add, let's say, an image, and then I will add an image here. Okay, this is, so for instance, like if you have your own products or image of a product, I don't know, for instance, Herbalife starter pack, etc. You can basically pick up an image. Well, I don't have any products here, but for the sake of it, I'm just going to pick the One Funnel Away Challenge box as one product. Add image, and then the second one, let's say it will be, could be coaching or could be something else. Let me see. Okay, it doesn't really matter what picture I use, it's just for the example. Okay, well, let's say that I choose coaching with me or something like that. There you go. So full course or a box or something like that. Then you will obviously, you could add text to it, so you can name it, you can change the size of the image. I would add possibly a sub headline. I can move it above. I can put starter pack, and I can put a, go here. You know, I'm not changing the size, but it's just to get the idea. So full training, for instance, I can move that one up. Obviously you can change the titles. Then if you, for instance, the way to create a PayPal payment, for instance, if you add another element, if you add the other element, let me just go here, and then PayPal button. So to start with, sorry, not PayPal button. There is no PayPal button, by the way. This is a code. So I'm scrolling right away down, custom GS HTML, and I will do the same for that, all the way down. Okay, obviously, as I said, like if you change the height of this image to match this one, they will be the same size. And then what you do in here, okay, so if I just open PayPal, Okay, my PayPal, and I'm just gonna go to the business. I have a PayPal for business. Okay, so if I go tools, all tools, and then if you are in all tools, go to business. So I believe it's this one, business setup. Is it? No, sorry. Business setup, no, all tools. I believe it's all tools. Okay, send money, request money. Payments get paid. Let's see, because I don't remember a third-party shopping cart. No, it's not that one what I want to show you. Make payments, get paid. What I'm looking for is PayPal button, but they changed the layout recently. I cannot find it. Okay, let's see. Button. There we go. If you try, just type in PayPal buttons, open. So this is to create a PayPal button. So when you, on the right hand side, I already have all different buttons created, but for instance, create a new button. If you click on that, then basically choose a button type, shopping cart. So what I want to do is actually buy now. So they gonna make payments straight away. So buy now. Then as you name your product over there, product 1, then you don't need to put anything, the ID, then whatever the price is for the product 1, currency, well, I have it in British pounds, but you can set up the USD dollars. And then you can also add variations to the product 1, but this is the simpler version. If you add a drop-down menu, so for instance, if you have different variations, you can create one button and then choose product 1, product 2, or product 3. You can add them both to the cart, so you can actually set up with the drop-down menu what they want to pay for. And then this is how the button is going to look like. And then track inventory, what you can do, it depends what you want to happen after they purchase it. So they want to go to the next step in the funnel, then you will basically put them back on the either on the different page, like where there was going to be like thank you for your purchase, or etc. So then step customize advanced settings. So most of it, as you can read it for yourself, but customize checkout pages, nothing in here. But what is important is this: take customers to this URL when they cancel their checkout, or take customers to this URL when they finish checkout. So you can actually copy and paste your next funnel step in here, and that will redirect them back to the next step in the funnel after they make the purchase, or different page if they don't. So once you do that, so for instance, if I have this page, so basically I would copy that, or actually even go to the preview, copy that, go to the PayPal when they finish checkout. So if you tick that box, paste the URL, and then this is nothing is needed. If you create the button, that will generate this code. Okay, then you can select the code and then Ctrl+C for copy, or right click on the mouse, copy. And then what you do, you're going back to your funnel. This is the preview. I'm just going to close it down. Go back to your funnel, and when you click in here, open code editor, and that's what's going to pop out. And that's when I already have it copied from the PayPal. You just Ctrl+V, or if you want to mark it's Command+V, insert that code from the PayPal button, close this down, and when you save, if I do preview, you can see that that's going to be basically in here. This button is for what I created before. but basically you have the button underneath. I don't know how to put it in the middle. However, you can always sort of create one button, or you can ask the support in terms of like how to put that button in the middle. But it's not as important. It's more important is when you want to create the products and pay with the PayPal. Otherwise, you can make the integrations with the Stripe. Okay, so when I put buy now, what happens is it's just redirecting someone to the PayPal. So I'm gonna close this down. Okay, so I'll close that down. And normally if you make the purchase, it will redirect them to the thank you page. So that's how you basically create it. So if I just delete that now, so do not mess up my funnel, save, and that is all done. So this way you can have two integrations, but in terms of creating products within the Clickfunnels, it's actually you need to select the order page, and then you have the option of adding the products within. Okay, hope that helps. If you have any other questions, then please let me know.